I can see that, child marriage prohibition is also there, but still we see that such kind of ill practices are happening in our society. So what measures government should take to, curb it very strictly?
Ma'am, one can be that the child marriages are declared void ab initio. Right now, the child marriages are not considered void unless the person who has gotten married as a child, they complained after 5 years of becoming balig. So instead of that, we can make them void ab initio since the beginning. But having said that, the rights of the child born out of this marriage, that will have to be taken care of. The legitimacy of the child will have to be protected. Ma'am, another is that, like for example, in Rajasthan, we have done for Akshaya Tritiya, where lots of child marriages take place. There can be special officers on duty whose main aim is to ensure that child marriages do not take place. We can have community whistleblowers who blow the whistle in case there is any child marriage happening. Ma'am, apart from that, there can be advertisements. For example, the latest one I saw was that it was a tailor who said that Choti abhi is too young to get married and how can you get her married? And if you do that, I'll report it to the police. Ma'am, such advertisements will raise more awareness and such steps can be taken.
So